Alright guys, today being 15th of September 2025, Nigerian court declines hearing of Nnamdi Kanu's motion seeking transfer from DSS to National Hospital. So when I tell una say these people they want Nnamdi Kanu to buy for DSS custody, it go can't just be like saying someone is talking for fun. Yes, why would they even decline someone who medical results have shown that his heart, his liver and heart is failing him already? Why would they even decline that? Then they use health they play, and the kind of the sickness when they do have not a small thing. You get somebody that's having heart issue, somebody that's having liver problem, only him. When I see the two dangerous this thing when they face up, you get. Now they don't decline, make it not go National Hospital because they want to make it buy for DSS custody. But you see, this is going to be the biggest mistake made by Nigerian government. I don't know who is advising them, but all these advisors, they are not doing their job well. If Nnamdi Kanu goes to National Hospital, it's for medical treatment. The case is already there in the courts. And this case was filed because of the urgency. You understand? So guys, Justice Musa Liman of the Federal High Court, Abuja, has declined hearing of a motion filed by Biafra Nation agitator Nnamdi Kanu seeking an order transferring him from the custody of the Department of State Service DSS to the National Hospital in Abuja for urgent medical attention. Una dey hear am. So the judge declined hearing on the ground that is flat to sit as a vacation judge ends today, and therefore he lacked jurisdiction to open such a new matter for hearing. So Justice Liman instead ordered that the case file be returned to the registry for the chief judge to reassign it to another judge. Una dey see the game when they play. At Monday's proceedings, Asiwaju Adegbenga Omowolo San appeared for the federal government, while Uchenna Njoko Sam stood for the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB. When the matter was called, Kanu's lawyer informed the judge that the motion by Kanu was filed on September 1st, while a counter affidavit of 37 paragraphs opposing the transfer request was served on him by government in the open court. So the senior lawyer said that he had not read the counter affidavit for him to respond. So he therefore applied for an adjournment to enable him to respond to the counter affidavit, and in view of the fact that the vacation of the judge had come to an end. On this part, Omowolo San did not oppose the adjournment request and said that he would be ready to be in court anytime a new date is fixed. So, in a brief ruling, Justice Lima ordered that the case file be returned to the registry for the chief judge to reassign the matter to another judge. Justice Lima said that he would make a recommendation to the chief judge for the speedy hearing of the motion, since the health of the applicant is involved. So Kanu in the motion with charge number FHC/ABJ/CR/383/2015 had sought an order of the court for the Department of State Service DSS to move him from DSS custody to the National Hospital for urgent medical care, giving an 11-ground argument why their request should be granted. The lead counsel to the applicant, Kanu Agabi San, said his client is presently spending a standing trial before Justice James Omotosho in charge marked FHC/ABJ/CR/3 3/2015. So he said Kanu on May 19 filed an application praying the court to admit him to bail pending the hearing and determination of the terrorism charge. So the lawyer, however, said that the said application could not be taken before the annual vacation of the court, hence his continued detention. According to him, while awaiting the resumption of the court's activities, the applicant's health took a worrisome decline, necessitating the invitation of doctors for the purpose of carrying out a thorough and extensive examination on the applicant. The examination reviewed issues to his health, including organs such as his pancreas and liver, as well as an emerging lump underneath his armpits and dangerously low level of potassium. The doctors have recommended that he be moved to the National Hospital as an interim measure to afford him medical attention and forestall further decline. The applicant's health is seriously deteriorating, considering the nature of his confinement, therefore making more pressing the need to bring this application and have some heard by a vacation judge, as Vivi had said. So he alleged that a letter by the doctors to the Director General of the DSS advising the transfer of Kanu had gone without answer. He said the urgency of the matter had therefore necessitated the filing of the application as a measure to arrest further decline of his health, while spirited efforts are being expended to ensure his treatment. The senior lawyer said that the grant of the application will not occasion any injustice on the complainant, that is DSS. Besides, Agbebi said the court is imbued with jurisdiction to hear and grant the prayers sought in the application. Emmanuel Kanu, the younger brother to Nnamdi Kanu, in the affidavit, he disposed to avail that the IPOB leader recently complained of weakness and pains in the body. So he said this prompted the invitation of doctors led by the eminent emeritus, Professor Augustine A.C. Ajayi, who on 1st September 2025 at about 2:30 p.m. told him that several tests were conducted on Nnamdi Kanu in August. So Emmanuel said the doctor told him at Agbebi's law firm that it was discovered that the IPOB leader was suffering from issues relating to his liver and kidney, as well as dangerously low levels of potassium. So he was further diagnosed with a swelling around the armpits area, which requires urgent attention to ascertain the cause and thereafter to seek appropriate medical treatment. He availed. So guys, I think you can see it now. When I tell you, say the Nigerian government no go free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they are not ready to do that. You understand? Now they are talking about his health. They don't even care to know. For you to know how wicked these people are, this one making go hospital. Somebody that is having issue with liver and kidney. Now small matter. This one they talk about reassigning the case to another because it's vacation or I don't understand. We are talking about life here. So you see, they have a plan. And this plan, when they get, when they pray, say make it not mature. Because the soup go hot and it go burn so many tongues. You get. So may they just pray, say this their plan, make it not just mature. Well, so that is that about that. Now here I go drop this one for now. Drop your comment below the comment section. Share this video, make it go viral so that Nigerians could understand how the matter they be. Thank you. See you in my next video.